How to connect the JBL Go 4 Bluetooth speaker to a Windows 11 computer desktop or a laptop. The first thing you want to do is make sure your JBL Go 4 has some battery life in it, at least 50% and up. Now you want to go ahead and turn it on. So this is the power on button. A single press will turn it on and you'll see the white light. Then you want to press the middle button, which is the Bluetooth button, and it's going to set it to pairing mode, which you will also hear a tone sound play twice. Notice the white light is now blinking rapidly. It means your JBL Go 4 is in pairing mode. To the bottom right area where the battery icon is, click on that one time. Then you will see a panel that has options, and the middle top would be the Bluetooth one. Click on the arrow of the Bluetooth icon area and you should be taken to this area here. Then turn it on by clicking on the switch and it's going to start searching for nearby devices. And because your JBL Go 4 is in pairing mode, you should see it show up right there. It'll say JBL Go 4. When you click on it one time, it's going to say connected and you should hear your JBL Go 4 with a single tone sound letting you know it's fully connected. And you should be good to go, ready to use it and have the sound come out of it. You can always go back to the quick access area here and you'll be able to adjust the volume from here if you're not hearing any sound. You can also click right there on the far right and switch it to JBL Go 4 if there is no sound coming out of it at the moment. And just back out and now you can adjust the volume for your speaker or just use the JBL Go to adjust the volume, like in sub.